Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs better. We'll start with the basics, ensuring a creamy and delicious result every time. First, crack your fresh eggs into a bowl. Then, whisk them thoroughly until the yolks and whites are completely combined. For an extra touch of richness, add a small splash of milk or cream before whisking. The key to perfect scrambled eggs is controlling the heat. Cook your eggs over medium-low heat to prevent them from drying out. Make sure to use a good non-stick pan, which makes cleanup a breeze and ensures nothing sticks. Stir the eggs constantly with a rubber spatula, gently scraping the bottom and sides of the pan to form soft, fluffy curds. Timing is crucial for perfectly moist scrambled eggs. Remove them from the heat just before they are fully set, as they will continue to cook slightly from residual heat. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. For an even richer finish, stir in a small pat of butter right at the end. To truly elevate your scrambled eggs, consider adding some delicious mix-ins. Stir in shredded cheese like cheddar or a sprinkle of fresh herbs such as chives or parsley during the last minute of cooking. Remember, scrambled eggs are best enjoyed immediately, so serve them hot. Now you have all the tips to make truly amazing scrambled eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.